Today on Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out, we are talking about the apps to help you get organized, clear clutter, and have peace of mind for the holiday season. Are you overwhelmed when it comes to planning holiday meals? Do your nerves get frayed with challenging people when you'd rather be celebrating? Would you like to be more organized in your gift giving? This month's bonus continues focusing on the holidays.
Are you overwhelmed by clutter, looking to organize your life? Do you feel stuck and are ready for a change? Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., join award-winning professional organizer and coach Julie Coraccio on Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out as she supports you in navigating the waters of decluttering your life and getting organized. Julie thinks outside the box and examines clutter in all areas: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, energetic, and more. Ready to live a more joyful and fulfilling life?
Apps are a great way to help you stay organized, clear some clutter, and find peace of mind. Apps can be clutter as well, so make sure you're calling the apps on your phones and tablets on a regular basis. You'll probably have to play around with them and see what suits you the best, but here are some to get you started. Remember to step away from the screen. I had my eye exam and my eyes have gotten worse. My ophthalmologist recommended every 20 minutes looking away for 30 seconds to a minute. My husband had 20/20 vision until this year. He sits in front of a computer screen all day. This PSA is over. On to the apps. Good. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas, New Year's, solstice. All the holidays involve food. That is one of my favorite things. I believe we would have a better world if we all sat down and broke bread and got to know one another over food. Here are some apps that can help you with meal planning, shopping lists, and recipes. Meal Plan Meal and Grocery Planner are wonderful if you're new to meal planning. Pepper Plate organizes your recipe collection, plans meals based on your recipes, creates shopping lists, and help you cook the recipes you want to try. Zip List is a grocery shopping list organizer, recipe organizer, and meal planner. The focus of the app is on grocery lists and organizing your weekly shopping, but don't count out its meal planning features. With over 1 million recipes in its database, Yumly is the ultimate resource for chefs looking to whip up some fresh ideas. Filter app searches by prep time, nutrition, or type of cuisine. Then save your favorite to your Yums, a virtual recipe box. Timer Plus is a simple free timer app that can run multiple countdowns at the same time. That means you can have a timer for your turkey, stuffing, side dishes, and pie running simultaneously to keep your cooking on track. This free wine app can help you out if you're tasked with bringing a bottle to your Thanksgiving dinner or any other holiday event. Just scan the label of any wine you find at the store, and Vivino gives you ratings and reviews, average price in your area, plus the country and area of origin. For Thanksgiving, In the Kitchen app has a special page of Thanksgiving recipes, including turkey, mashed potatoes, cocktails, appetizers, and desserts. Each recipe gives you user ratings, difficulty level, cooking times, and number of servings. This makes it easier for you to find an easy stuffing recipe that you can make in a half hour or a complicated dessert. Big Oven offers a database of 200,000 delicious recipes. Need a meal plan? Drag and drop recipes onto a calendar for a day, a week, or a month. Upgrade to Big Oven Pro for $15 a year, and the app automatically generates your grocery list. You can also share recipes via email, Facebook, or Twitter, and scan in written recipes that the app converts to digital text. Cha-ching! If you don't want to have holiday hangover in January, spend some time on budgeting and plan what you will spend over the holidays. Include gifts, transportation, food, decorations, sending out cards, and whatever extras you do during the holidays. Mint.com is a popular app that gives you all the tools you need to manage your earnings, spending, saving, and budgeting. It syncs up to all your accounts from bank accounts and mutual funds to your 401k or IRA. Good Budget is a great app for people who are ready to start creating a budget based on their cash flow. The envelope system is similar to putting allocated amounts of cash into actual envelopes per month. BillGuard has two goals: to make sure you completely understand your spending habits and to protect your cards from fraud and unauthorized transactions. This app syncs your bank accounts and then brings up your total balance and the amount you spent this month. Pocket Expense focuses on tracking your spending, giving you a visual outlook on your spending before creating budgets. Expensify Smart Scan lets you photograph, categorize, and tag receipts, and then add them to expense reports if needed. You can also enter the merchant name, total amount spent, and date for each expense. Add Expense offers the categorizing options. You can also note if the expense is billable and or reimbursable. Dollarbird. Add past or future income and expenses to a calendar that calculates the impact on your balance as well as spending by category. Fudget. This no-frills list interface is best for folks who have a handle on their finances but want an easy space to keep organized. It's good for tracking short-term budgets for the holidays, vacation, or tracking work expenses. Level Money is designed to recreate the experience of opening your wallet. The app subtracts recurring expenses and savings from your income before dividing up what's left to tell you what you can spend each month, day, and week. Oh, you shouldn't have. No, really, you shouldn't have. Simplify your gift giving with some apps. To help you keep track of just what each person wants, how many gifts you've gotten them, how much you want to spend, and even if you wrap the gift or not, there's Santa's bag. Buying and budgeting is made easy with Christmas gift lists this year and next, as it archives your list to remind you of the favorite items of your favorite people. This app is also password protected. Divvy up the dough you have to spend by whom you're spending it on with the Christmas list. You can also arrange your list by store so that you don't have to make multiple trips in person or fill online shopping carts and pay shipping fees more than once. If you're sharing gift-giving duty, you can send your list via message or email. Gift Planner covers all holidays, events, and birthdays you have to buy for, and it lets you balance the budget for each, has a bookmarklet that adds items to your list while browsing online, and can send gift cards from the app. If you can't remember what gift is for whom, post-wrapping, you can snap a photo and store the information. Christmas List Snowball shows a summary, including the user's budget and actual money spent, how many people are still giftless, how many recipients are over budget, and who's receiving the most expensive gift. Once purchased, each gift can be checked off as wrapped.
Are you a new professional organizer trying to find your niche? Trying to take your business to the next level? Struggling with attracting clients? Whether it is working on your confidence, creating a podcast, or helping you find your specialty, Julie Coraccio provides coaching for professional organizers. Julie believes we all have our talents, and it's important to put your focus where you shine. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation at reawakenyourbrilliance.com.
Sesame takes all the work out of curating a theme box of fun things. Each of more than 75 themed gift boxes centers around an interest: golfing, gardening, craft beers, mixology, or a fun activity, making s'mores, having a spa day, traveling, or even taking selfies. It's all put together and easy to order right from the app. Baby gifts, thank you presents, or last-minute Mother's Day options are all available, and each comes with an enjoyment guide explaining what's inside. Planning, sharing, shopping reminders, and much more. No More Socks is great for not only the holidays, but all year round. Shop Advisor tracks product prices and availability so you don't have to. You get an alert when the price drops down to what you're willing to pay. You can compare prices across retailers and see what the average consumer ratings are. Shopular coupons bookmark deals from your favorite retailers right on your phone. Thanks to geolocating, this app pushes relevant deals to your smartphone as soon as you walk into a store. Coupons are updated daily. Find My Car free and My Car Locator free. Use GPS to record when and where you've parked and store the information in your smartphone. These apps give you walking directions to find your vehicle. That's entertainment. Looking for some tips on entertaining? You can also check out my previous podcast, number 117 from June, Organizing Tips for Entertaining. Pro Party Planner has all your planning needs in one place. Shopping lists, budgets, seating charts, and you're able to collaborate and delegate. Pitch-In. Free up your time and spend less time organizing. Pitch-In is a quick and easy way to organize events and assign tasks to others. Heads Up is a fun and hilarious game from Ellen DeGeneres. From naming celebrities to singing to silly accents. Guess the word on the car from your friend's clues before the timer runs out. Party Mixer lets you play 2 tracks at the same time and cross-fade between them like a DJ. You can create, save, and load playlists and use an auto DJ mode that mixes songs automatically for you. Simple Soiree. Use this app to create your event and then start adding all the details such as to-do lists, shopping lists, guest lists, a menu, decorations, ideas regarding your theme, and anything else. Ping, with 2 Gs, offers online invitation creation, event management, guest list creation, and event reporting services. Punchbowl offers online tools for every phase of party planning. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Transportation and travel. If you don't have it, get TSA PreCheck. I highly recommend it. With PreCheck, you go way more quickly through security. Google Maps and City Maps to Go provide detailed map information. Walk, jog, run if you're looking for safe routes for exercise. Flight Track Pro lets you find your flight information easily. Travel List helps you create checklists for your travel. Pocket First Aid and CPR and ICE apps are self-explanatory. Tripcase. This app allows users to organize multiple flights, hotel reservations, and plans in one place. Users can also follow along with each other's itineraries, allowing family or friends to keep tabs on someone's travel without constant updates. Bring Fido. For pet lovers, this app helps users travel the world with their furry friends, from mapping out parks where dogs are welcome to booking pet-friendly hotels. I always check the weather before I travel to get an idea of what to expect. I'm a huge fan of Weather Underground Storm app. Meditation. Don't forget these apps if the holidays start to get crazy. Have one of these on your phone so you can escape into the bathroom and take those 5 minutes to recenter. If you haven't developed a daily mindfulness or meditation practice, now's a great time to start. Check out these apps: Relax Melodies, Buddhify, Meditation Timer Pro, Take a Break, and the Mindfulness app. Looking to simplify? A good all-around app is Evernote. Because of its great search capability and that you can create notebooks and organize by gifts, party planning, social events, etc. Awesome Note HD and To-Do/Calendar not only helps you keep all of your thoughts and ideas in one place, but also assists you in your scheduled needs throughout each day. Sticky Notes for iPad is a very helpful and productive way to stay organized, complete with voice dictation, available on newer iPad models, and it boasts gorgeous digital sticky notes. Takeaways from today's podcast. Apps are a great way to help you stay organized, clear some clutter, and find peace of mind. Apps can be clutter as well, so make sure you are calling the apps on your phones and tablets on a regular basis. Think about the different apps you will need to keep you clutter-free, organized, and sane over the season. Food, budgeting, entertaining, relaxing, gift buying, and travel. If you don't use it, delete it. After the holidays, take the time to go through all of your apps on your tablet or smartphone. I've had so much fun podcasting since 2014 and host my podcast with Libsyn. Starting your own podcast? You can get your current month and the next month free on Libsyn with the coupon Clutter. I love that Libsyn has great customer service and I never have to worry that they're going to go out of business and leave me in the lurch. For more information, go to reawakenyourbrilliance.com. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.
Are you overwhelmed by clutter, looking to organize your life? Do you feel stuck and are ready for a change? Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., join award-winning professional organizer and coach Julie Coraccio on clearing the clutter inside and out as she supports you in navigating the waters of decluttering your life and getting organized. Julie thinks outside the box and examines clutter in all areas: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, energetic, and more. Ready to live a more joyful and fulfilling life?